this video, we will be going over a new utility available in 10.9 called the Civil File Manager. This is replacing the version checker. So all of the existing functionalities are still there, like aligning and upgrading, but something new you'll see is the downgrade civil model. This is another feature that is available within the Connect Edition products. But one thing you'll find in the products that you won't find in the Civil File Manager at the moment is the Remove Civil Model feature. And we have videos on downgrading the civil model and remove the civil model, so go find those if you want to learn more on that. But I will go ahead and demonstrate upgrading files to the 10.09 schema. So I'll open up some folders and subfolders. I've already got some files set aside for us to use. Use the 10.07 folder I have. Let it open up. And we'll confirm that it is in fact the 10.07 schema, which it is. You can see right here in the version column. So I will go ahead and go to Action and Upgrade All, which will, anything found in this folder that we selected, it will upgrade them to the 10.09 schema. We'll let that run, and then once it is done, it'll say upgrade complete, and we can go check those folder locations. So I've already got it open here. And you'll notice, this is from an earlier run, but it will create a zip folder that contains the files, a copy of them, and they are the original version. So not the one you converted to, but these are the 10.07 schema. And you can just extract those wherever you want, so you still have those. But the new 10.09 converted files will be in the folder that we selected here.